This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable the developer mode on Discord. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on Discord. To enable or disable the developer mode, you want to go down to the lower left hand corner, down to your little username area. You want to tap on that. Then in the upper right hand corner, the little gear wheel, you want to tap on the little gear wheel. And then on this page, you want to scroll down a ways, down to the app settings section. And in the app settings section, down towards the bottom, advanced, you want to tap on advanced. And then right up top here, under general, developer mode. To enable developer mode, you would toggle this on right here. And to disable it, you would toggle it off. That is how to enable or disable the developer mode on Discord. Thanks for watching.